Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So today what we're going to be doing is fitting the final piece of the Maxton kit to my 2022 SKODA OCTAVIA vRS. Oh, and by the way, I had the car valeted today. Look how nice and clean it is, and it's spotless. So let's take a quick look. Excuse Santa while he's up there. He's a bit excited to be in my car. So essentially what this does is sticks onto the spoiler of your car, and then it just looks good, I think. If I'm honest, I am a little bit unsure about this because I'm not sure it's actually doing much, but if you're going to buy one thing, you might as well buy them all, you know, have the whole kit. And then what else have we got in the packet? We've got an installation manual. Now, let's take a look at that in a minute. Also got some wipes or adhesive. Surface cleaner, there you go. Good job of cleaning the car. On the Maxton manual, it does look like it's quite a process to fit this, but it's like 10 steps to fit a double-sided sticky taped spoiler. But anyway, yeah, let's get out of the car. Right, so the first step before fitting this is obviously making sure it's going to line up on your car. So I think that looks like it's going to fit. Definitely made for my car. Mate, that is looking sick. Take a look at that already. Now this part you want masking tape for, but me being me, I've only got electrical tape. So what we're going to do is line it up to where you think this should really sit on your car. So on the edge, you can see here, you want to put some tape there and then put some tape on the other side. You've got to imagine this is going to be only stuck, so you've really got to make sure it's going to go tight on each side, because if it's not, then you're going to have issues. You can see actually on this car they've designed this spoiler lip to go in line with this groove, so essentially the edge will like line up, so it'll just be, yeah, all the way around. Cleverly thought out, hey? Right, now I'm going to clean the spoiler. Normally with these wipes you just go one direction. What does he do? He goes two directions. Don't copy anything I'll say. Literally. Right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to take a little bit of this double-sided tape off on each side, but I'm going to get this bit ready here. So I can pull that in a minute, and the same with this side. Not all the way, just enough that you can get to it from underneath when you place it on the car. I hope I've got this right. I hate these sort of jobs. Let's make sure it's going to line up. Right, so you can see I've got both sides on, and if you look, bring the camera, here you can see there's a curve that goes all the way around, so you can see that it's meant to be in that position. And then in a minute I'm going to pull the rest of that red tape so it's completely stuck. But let's go for it. There's no gaps. Ooh, lovely stuff. I would recommend, by the way, if you're going to do this, you need to make sure the bodywork is warm. So use like a hairdryer or a bit of heat on it, because it is quite cold. But I'll keep an eye on it anyway. I'm sure it'll be fine. This is the most satisfying part of the video. Oh yeah. I think Maxton have got a bit excited with these little sticker things, and even one under there. The only thing I wish they did do was sort of gloss black this, but I'm sure it'll be fine. Right, so there it is. You can see that it lines up all nicely across here with the grooves of the car. Take a look at that. The last piece to the Maxton puzzle of my car. Let me know what you guys think of it. Is it a yes or a no? Might even get a bit of downforce now at the back. Right, so that is the spoiler cap all fitted. Nice, easy job. Just make sure you line it up and maybe give your car a bit of heat to stick it on if you're going to do it. So yeah, apart from that, all the Maxton kit is fitted to this car. Well, everything they offer for it is pretty much on. They do different versions. So I've done the front splitter, side skirts, rear side diffusers, whatever they're called, rear side skirts, the rear valance, and yeah, pretty much everything. So there may be more mods coming to this. I'm not too sure because I do like a challenge, and I feel like although this has been a little bit of a challenge, this car, to do these mods that I've done, I might be getting my hands stuck into something new in the new year. As much as I love this car, I cannot fault it. It is amazing. Honestly, I really do enjoy this car. I think it looks amazing, it drives amazing, it's everything about it is great, but I do like to create content and get my hands stuck into something. So potentially there may be something new coming to my channel in the new year. Stay tuned, and yeah, that's pretty much it. But if you're new here, please do subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all again soon for the next one, and happy new year. Enjoy it.